this is Gadget Generation on YouTube today. Just come back from the Apple Store after reserving my iPad 2. I'm just going to have a quick unboxing of it. I also got the orange smart cover with it, which cost £35 in the UK. And here it is. White 32GB iPad 2 Wi-Fi only model. These are like really hard to get hold of. So in the box get USB and the wall charger. This was £475. Unboxing. And there it is. Shimmy the package off. And there it is. The iPad 2. 32GB. And with it you get, sure there'll be some Apple stickers in here for everyone. Yep, there we are, the Apple stickers, the USB lead, and the wall adapter for the USB. Yep, there we go. Here's the iPad 2. Let's switch on. Nope. Oh, there we go. Main difference is it's got an A5 processor, front and back cameras for FaceTime, quite a bigger speaker. Yep, and that's the iPad 2 unboxing. Thanks a lot for checking us out, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. See you later.